This step-by-step tutorial walks you through setting up account details, check preferences, currency settings, and associating your chart of accounts for seamless financial management. To navigate to the Finance view, open the Workspace menu, select Accounting, and then choose Finance. The Finance view will open. Select Add Finance Account from the drop-down menu. In the Add Finance Account view, we'll add the account details. In the Account Name field, enter a name to describe the account. Tap to the optional account number field and enter an account number. In the next check number field, enter the starting check number. This number will automatically increment with each printed check. Choose the appropriate check type from the drop-down menu. This selection applies only to the current account, while the default check type set in Finance Preferences applies to all finance accounts. Set the currency type. When the finance account is created, the default currency as set in Account Preferences is automatically assigned. You may change the currency type here. However, once transactions are associated with the account, the currency type cannot be modified. Select the radio button, Banking or Credit Card, and then enter wire transfer or payee information. For banking and other accounts, use this field to store wire transfer details. For credit card accounts, use this field to store payee information and any other required details for check vouchers. The last step is to associate a chart of accounts. Use the plus sign to expand the chart of accounts. Select a chart of account to link to this finance account. The selected account will automatically be added to any finance schedule created for this account. For example, if a schedule is created for deposits, the chosen chart of account will be credited for each deposit made using that schedule. Select OK to save your added finance account. Now I'll show you how to add another finance account, this time a credit card. We'll add the account name, MasterCard, account number. We'll skip the next check number and check type. We'll select the radio button, Credit Card, and we'll expand the liability category and select Credit Card to associate the credit card liability to this added finance account. Select OK to save your MasterCard finance account. By following these steps, you can easily set up any number and type of finance accounts in COR, ensuring smooth financial transactions and accurate reporting. Thank you for watching.